Okay, this is Maupin. This one is a 3, 1.5. This is the kitchen. There's a major issue with the kitchen that there is absolutely no place to put a refrigerator. Although the whole house itself is really nice, we're not quite sure how to solve the refrigerator dilemma. This is Jerry.
Hi.
And this is the laundry room. There is a half bath here. Everything is just really well made, really well done. They did a great job with the restoration, except for the refrigerator part. Alright, let me just go through real quick. This is a beautiful open window room. This is the main hallway coming in. It's a fireplace. Absolutely. It's small, but it's really got nice flow and it's got great proportions. Bedroom here. Really clean, well appointed. Full bath here, full bath and shower. Bedroom here. So this would be bedroom, and then we were thinking this would be the bird room for the littles. And then we'd have to figure out where to put Truly, and then you come right back into the kitchen. So I'll go outside and take a picture of the outside. They have a dining room table here. We thought maybe we could put a refrigerator here, but then you'd have to tear out these beautiful cabinets, and you need the storage space because the house is so small. Okay. Gorgeous door. Come on, little bug. This porch could definitely be screened in for the birds to fly. Fabulous backyard. Nice neighborhood. We go out to the there's the house, and then when you walk around, well, I'll go around this way. Nice landscaping. You have a driveway. There is no garage, no carport. It only looks like it only fit one vehicle, which is going to be a problem. But beautiful landscaping. And the neat part is when you get all the way to the back, you've got a huge back yard where you can put a deck and a, here's the side door. Doesn't appear to be any kind of structural issues, not like the other one. And the yard goes all the way to the back. That's a dogwood. And I'll go around the side. Fenced, so if we wanted to get a dog we could. There's the air conditioning unit, and then brand new roof. Everything's spick and span and tidy and painted. They did a wonderful job. And this is the lot line down here at the side of the house. So yeah, okay.